So this is by Alexander Wang. It's a Rocco in size small, and it is just so scrumptious and beautiful. It's a really nice dark brown chocolate shade. I know as I look at the screen it looks black. It isn't black, it's a dark brown, really rich and chocolatey. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got beautiful soft top handles, so you can obviously wear it with your arm, you can hold it in your arm. It's the size small, it does fit on my shoulder, it actually feels quite nice on my shoulder, but it is snug. I'm a UK 8'10", I am 5'4", so it's a snug fit, but it fits on there. Bear in mind the bag's empty, so I can show you what's in it. When it's got things in it, it fills out and pads out, and it's a similar shape and size to a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. That's what it looks like when it's got things in it. It comes with Alexander Wang dust bag and tickets. So the main feature is, of course, this beautiful studded base, absolutely fabulous. It has a zip top closure. So I'll show you inside. Inside you've got the beautiful one big space with one zipped pocket just here. Okay, it's a good sized pocket. The Alexander Wang tag is there, which I don't know if that will show. Is that catching the light? Just about. It's really beautiful leather, really, really soft and scrumptious, and just that nice to touch tactile leather with beautiful graining on it, which makes it really, really nice to use. Condition we've said is good throughout, so good hardware, good exterior, good interior. There's nothing majorly wrong with it, but it shows signs of wear throughout. So I'm going to show you the bottom corners. Can you see there? Just shows signs of wear to the leather on those bottom corners. Let's see if that one shows up. Yeah, signs of wear. Signs of wear to the handles. Again, inside there's nothing actually wrong with it, just shows signs that it's been used. If I'm completely honest, I like the fact that it shows signs of wear because it suits the bag and it suits the leather. Now, if you, like me, like buying pre-owned because you get leather that's worn in, it's got that soft look, that look, then this is exactly what you're looking for. I love leather like this. For me, this is kind of the point of a pre-loved leather bag. Soft, a little bit used and worn, just scrumptious. There is a link to this on our website. If you go to the comments below, you can click the link, it will take you to this on our product page. When you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter because you get 10% off your first purchase, which is well worth doing. What else? Follow us on Instagram, there's a link in the comments below. Please follow us on Instagram, so the link's in the comments. If you like our bag videos, then please give us the thumbs up. I have forgotten to tell you about the secret pocket on the side. I'll show you that now. Little tiny little secret pocket. It is tiny, but it's quite handy if you want a secret stash of cash or something like that. But yes, beautiful Alexander Wang small Rocco.